ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kekinhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat yaw lakam sensyar hapo kani ka jela hapo ka jingilam jong ka National People's Party kalanang keo ha ka jingbon paj hadin bas sangut ki MLA jong ka Seng Congress ki bakinthom ya ka Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo uba Mahendro Rapsang uba Miral Bons im lembar uba Kimfa Sydney Marbanyang hagas ngi ba ar jong ka pratarik ubnai rempang arajar arpo ar kila IT di ka jingtho au menteri rang ba jong ka jela Konrad Konggal Sangma da ka ba penpau ba kila long ki ba kloi banya sno lang bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haga jingya kran bat kila pathai khubor hadin ka jingya kendu ya menteri rang ba ka working president jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala ong bakani ka jingsham rai jong ki banya trailang bat ka Sorkar MDA kalong hadin baki sngodai baki patba anong kershan jong ka constituency kinyo jingmentoy hadin baki la syae bany mentala sausnem kenti
ngi sungtunat chibun ba phi ki lat pathai khubor baro khilaya don hangni banyo ya kene jing pentip nakaliang jong ka Congress Legislature Party bangi kisan ngut ki MLA ngila shim ya karai bangin sinrok lang bat ke MDA government pilaban ong malay ka jakum ni kalong mangi san ngut ngin pet iway ya iway ngin ya pet babaro ki jing don kam ha ki constituencies ki boper ki jong isan ngut kinyo bentalem ha ka kiu ha ka development ban pet ru ba kini gijongi mentala sausnem kinum yai beteng henrengin yo jing mentoy lang nakabenta kinong snong bat ka constituency jongi nilayo ruban ya kren khendit halor ka border dispute nilayo kren khendit shapang ki jingdon kam ha ki constituencies ki jongi henrengin dang yai kendu bat ka MDA government bat ngila komen shibon bau rang pak menteri jong kaneka jela ka jongi ula accept yangi kum ka CLP bat ngin ya trelang bat ka Sorkar nang ni syakmat ngi ngim kwa bangin batay ya ki jingja ki bansawan ngi ong ya phi bangim sngo don kam shu kum ki sangot bangin dang artatin baha ki sausnem ki jing ki jongi om dan bala ban batay ngila dep rai in sapet nang ni syakman. We are 5 elected MLAs. If you do not respect the voice of the 5 elected MLAs, what is the point of the party going anywhere forward? We are elected by our people and we have taken the authority by ourselves to ensure that we are in a strategic position to ensure that our constituencies do not suffer beyond the 4-year period of hardships that we have already felt and experienced. Ngim don kam bangin ya kren ya kata ka jinggete jong kini batno. Ngim dei mangiru ban batay ya kata. Dada pidon kanu ka jingkeli syapang kata ka jing ya sno jong ki bakiwe ki party pidon kam ban kren ya ki. Ngim dei mangi ban ai jubab. Ngi ong kum ni. Ngi don sangot ki Congress ki basa ha ka Seng Congress ha ka Legislative Assembly ngiyoi bangisan ngut ngidon hagijing e shibon mdon ba keli mdon ba pertau mdon ba wanyaram tingila habrai mangikum kinong yalam ken kumnong ginong bot jongno habakin nong kersan jong gila da bot pa ini te kidon kirai ki bangi hapshim bat kane kadai gawai na kita kirai ki bangi lashim. Please ask the MDA whether it is backed by anyone. We have no idea. We are not privy to those discussions. We go as a CLP to seek justice for our constituencies. That's our politics. We have not gotten to that level of asking them who are your partners. We have been out of the government for 4 years. We will allow this government to tell us because we have no clarity on those matters. We are not privy to any of their discussions and dialogues. We just want to see our constituencies receiving the attention they deserve. Well, now we know who's who. You have seen the disclosures of politics in the state. We know who is B team of who and C team of who. Right now, we are protecting each other's interests. We are 5. We told you we are the famous 5. We will take decisions as per our own interpretation. And right now, we have jointly signed. We are together. We will take care of each other. Because at the end of the day, usually there is a big distance between us and those who dictate to us. By example, we are showing the people of the state of Meghalaya that no other external force will decide for us. We are the 5, we will decide. The CLP is going to the MDA. Simple. Now you decide, you interpret. We have taken a call, respect our decision. Ngin saya pet nakalawan kapon. Ngidang surung bat ka MDA naman kibabon palat kijingkren kibadon kam hakan ni kapon. Kapaning kong ngihap yasad upot usam. Haba syong opposition ngim don jiktip. Armut ki members jungi kila don lupa ke regional committee. Ngikwa man pet bangi protect ya kata. Hibon giwi issues ngindang ya kren. Tang bakum bakalong mentah. Ngihap ban ya dashwa iwe hapreng kisan ngut. Bat ngi pet lem nakamta kabha kamyat jong kisan ngut.
Nyada nonu nyada.
Kat badai sarai mo pikin sa pet mo pikin.
Chicken bong.
Ngimpa man on. Ngiray mangi. Ngim kren. Kum ginong yalam lap pen ko poring idupad ba bangin rai. Kinchu follow, she follow, igibri kamlong. Yaman shem yung rai ken.